Do you want to automatically protect your images or documents with a watermark? Well, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add watermarks on your files using N8N. It's a simple workflow, so let's get started. First, open the N8N workspace or website. Log in your account and you will be directed to your dashboard. Once you're logged in, look at the left side of the screen and find the template section in the sidebar. To access a gallery of pre-designed workflows, click on it. It includes our goal for the day, which is adding watermark in images. In the center of your screen, you will notice a search bar. If you see a default tag that already entered, just clear it by clicking the little X icon. Now search at the search bar for watermark and press enter, and it will be automatically bring you to the selection of relevant templates. And now that we are looking for a template titled overlay or watermark images by merging with another image, this template is specifically designed for the task we are working on. Click it and it will bring you to the detailed information about what this template entails. Select the Import Template to Cloud Workspace option. This is where you will begin setting up your watermarking workflow. And now, let's see how it works. Click the Execute Workflow. First, both the main image and the watermark image are downloaded, allowing them to be processed. We then extract metadata from the images, focusing especially on their dimensions. From this, the overlay position is calculated, typically centering the watermark on the background image. And now, the two images are composited together to produce your watermarked image. And there you have it! Congratulations! You have successfully created an automated workflow that adds watermark to your files using N8N. It is a great way to protect your content while saving time with automation. Thanks for watching. Keep automating, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless you.